When starting out as a Santa Claus representative, it's important to keep improving upon your skills and appearance. Unfortunately, we are plagued today with many imposters during the Christmas season. Oh yes, one can immediately tell these individuals were either thrown into the suit at the last minute, or, which sadly is more common, they have become comfortable and complacent in their duties to represent the Santa Claus. It's easy to fall into the category of looking like an imposter, but with a little work, you too can show your dedication to this responsibility by going from this to this. Some advice from me. Start first by focusing on the 3 B's of the trade: boots, belt, and beard. Get yourself an actual pair of boots and say goodbye to those boot covers, which don't fool anyone and never will. A leather belt from a leather shop or an online store will greatly enhance your appearance. Customizing this in the future with different belt buckles is now an option for you. And last is the beard. For around $50, you can enter as an amateur into the world of lace-backed professional-grade theatrical beards. And isn't that a massive improvement from this cheap mess that covers up your face? You're off to a good start, and there's much more yet to learn about being a Santa Claus. It's an ongoing process. I invite you to join the Santa Claus workshop to learn more about this today.